Hi there, today we're checking out the Marsmiles Wood Floating Shelves, a set of 4 rustic wooden shelves, each 15.3 inches wide. These shelves feature a farmhouse rustic design with real wood showing natural nodes and grain, painted to create an aged look. They are lightweight yet sturdy, made from natural paulownia wood with solid metal brackets that provide invisible wall mounting and prevent sagging. Each shelf supports up to 22 pounds, perfect for displaying books, plants, photos, or kitchen condiments in any room. Installation is simple thanks to the sturdy steel brackets and clear instructions that let you mount the shelves yourself. Keep in mind, each shelf has subtle color differences due to the natural wood and paint finish, making every piece unique. For durability and style, these floating shelves add both storage and charm to your living space. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.